Welcome to A Taste of Well-being. Here we talk about the different items that make up the meal which breaks the day-long Ekadashi fast. Today Sadhguru's special recipe is Kala Chana Sundal. Ingredients: 4 cups Kala Chana soaked for 8 hours or overnight, drained. 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoon split black gram, skinless, duli urad dal in Hindi. 2 dry red chilies, broken, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 4 tablespoon coconut, grated, 4 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste. Method: boil the Kala Chana in water until soft. Heat the oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the mustard seeds and black gram. Stir lightly until the mustard seed splutter and the gram is lightly browned. Add the red chilies and curry leaves. Stir well. Add the boiled Kala Chana and salt. Stir well and remove from the heat. Add the grated coconut and lemon juice. A tasty Kala Chana Sundal is ready. Enjoy the special recipe from Sadhguru on this Ekadashi. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more latest yogic food recipes from Sadhguru.